project, I went and got this kit from Connects and made this awesome Ferris wheel. And then I went ahead and decided that I wanted to add lights and motor controls. We really need to push kids to be involved in STEM stuff, especially little girls. Girls are just as capable of being able to do engineering or math or science. As a mom, I want to be able to help my daughter be a well-rounded person. I want to work for a STEM toy company. That's what has been my goal from day one of switching over to mechanical engineering. I started with graphic design, and I realized very quickly that, you know, I love art and I love being able to put my hands on something, but I'm not as driven with that as I am with my math and my mechanical side. So I want to be able to help little girls and little boys see that in themselves and realize that just because, you know, you may not be the most mechanical person to start with, you can be. Or maybe not mechanical, maybe it's science, maybe it's technology. It's whatever, you know, you're drawn to, you can do it. And children learn through play, and I think that's how we have to help them figure this out. I feel like we have a STEM crisis right now. We've got all these kids who are just mesmerized by a screen, yet they don't know how any of it works. They don't want to know how any of it works. So we can't just let them be entertained by a screen. We need to show them how to get hands-on and mess with this stuff. And that's what I think STEM toys are all about, is getting these kits that you build and you follow the instructions, and then you take it apart and do your own thing. You build your own thing and you figure out what works and what doesn't. And so I think that's why this is important. I want to help. I want to make a difference for not just, you know, all the kids, but for my kid.